Guys, it's on the beat.
Okay, hey y'all. Okay, we look a hot mess. Y'all seen me when I was trying to structure out the part. My roommate gave me some meats. Let me give y'all the deets of this U-part wig. Okay, well y'all seen me cut the little lace portion out of it. Am I ghetto? Look at this. Fucking brush broke. I did wash the hair when I first got it because I didn't like the way it looked when I first got it. It looked like it was just like oily fried chicken on your face. You ever seen that episode of Black Ink Crew with what is her name, with Sky, and she was arguing with one of the girls, and she was like, oily, fried chicken on your face, you oily. Yo, type in fried chicken on your face, you oily, and that's just gonna, I'm gonna insert the clip because that's me and my mother's shit right there.
This mother can't with me, she get mad, she get oily. This mother can't with me, she get mad, she get oily. Get oily. I'm fried chicken on your face, you get oily.
But back to this. Okay, so put the little braid. It got clamps on the side right here, and then one in the middle, two right here. I was kind of thinking that I should have left like hair out on the side, but I'm not keeping like this wig in for long. We gotta keep it moving. It's a lot. Well, I put a lot on these braids. Oh shit! Oh fuck! We keeping these braids in for a minute, y'all. So when y'all see, and when it comes time for me to like do my frontal, this is going in 2 little braids right here, and that's it. Because I'm not taking these out. I refuse. And I think I got like three U-part wig sponsors. So we gotta. Why would I take that out first? Do we have a little hairpin? You don't got this on me, huh? You got NyQuil. NyQuil? You is not fucking You do not have narcolepsy. Not you diagnosing yourself. So we're gonna take our first clamp and put it right there. Push it down. Put this one onto that braid.
Hold your hand.
This one too. Ah, it won't snap. Some hair out. Cause this is really loose. I wish they had like something right here. This is not it. This one is not staying in. Like, whatever. Let me set up my flat iron so I can press out my hair real quick. I'm gonna leave the hair in this natural state because I'm not about to flat iron the hair. I don't know, I probably will because y'all know my hair gotta blend in with it. Now we're gonna take our braid out. We're gonna do this side, then we're just gonna straighten it here. So just watch me do that, y'all. I'm gonna try and pull the hair to bring this like more forward, like the comb, if you get what I'm saying. No, that's too much room. Ouch, that fucking hurts. That's why I don't do combs. Which I like better? I like the wavy look or straight. I feel like my forehead is humongous right now. Oh yeah, my forehead's mad big. I don't know why I signed up for this. It's a calm little quick too while I got my hair done. I'm gonna have to do eyebrows if I'm wearing this wig. But if I'm in a gym, how am I gonna do this? Like, cause I can't do this. That's ghetto. I actually really like the puffy side. Oh shit, the camera's dying. But I really like the puffy side. So before I change the battery, I'ma flat on this side, and I'll come back to y'all, and then we'll speak about the deets of this hair, how I like it, and give y'all like a real zero review, okay? I love that the hair is really full. Like, I need to give y'all the details of this hair. This hair is the SOWIGS U-Part 24-inch 300% density. I can't remember if it was body wave or like a deep wave, but when they had sent the hair, It was like in a bag. Like they ain't send no goodies. Y'all know I like the goodies. They ain't send no goodies. They just sent the wig in a bag. Like that was it. What I would say, I do not think this wig is 300% density. Like it is nice and full, but I had wigs that was 200% and that was thicker than this. But this hair is full though. Don't get me wrong, it's full, nice or whatever. Like a deep wave, like a deep curl to it or whatever. But like it was really shiny, like oily. Yo, my forehead is so fucking big. I feel like my face start mad low. Like imagine I have no eyebrows. I had washed the wig and I had let it air dry, and which I had seen was the air dry or whatever. And I really do like that wig, so like I might probably, but I don't know, we gotta do another install, so we probably gonna have this wig in for a day, few hours. I wonder when I shave all my hair rolls, how I'm gonna be doing U parts. I guess I won't be. The wig cap itself is so freaking roomy. Like, that's why it looked like a bulge right here. Like this is wig cap. Like all of this right here, from where this finger is to right here, it's all wig cap. All of this is wig cap, and it's just big. Like I could just,
She's a literal robot. But how do you make a robot?
like yeah, for all of that I could have kept my ponytail in the back. So we're gonna lay this down, and we're gonna get ready for bed, because we got class in the morning. I mean, I like it though. I just wish personally I would have left hair out right here. I don't know why I didn't. So lay that flat. So you guys, that is the end of this video. We have just installed our our first U-part wig, because the other one was a V-part. First U-part wig, I feel like it's pretty fine. I'm probably got to get used to it. I'm going to lay it down to just keep it like... Yeah, you gotta get the gist. I don't think it's nothing wrong with the hair and how it is. I feel like I have an insecurity like with my forehead or whatever, so my forehead is really like, it's been showing out lately, and then I'm trying to get my skin to clear back up, and my forehead was breaking out. It actually started clearing up. Like my forehead is the only kind of clear spot on my face. So yes, you guys, this mini install is now over. So shout out to you Wigs for spinning the block back, okay, and working with us again, because I think this is our second collab with them. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, okay, period. I'm gonna try and edit this video like right now, so I can have this up for y'all later on today. If not, then y'all gonna see it a day later. March 17th, y'all should be seeing this video. So see you guys in my next video, my Tay dolls. Later.